Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, let's start off on the daily, then we'll go to the hourly. The bulls are slowly converting mid-band. It's a process. Um, they made a run yesterday. You got your high there at 49. The 50 area was something that price continually gravitated back to on the really short-term time frames during the course of this trading range back here. Okay. So the fact that we've had two moves back to 50 that have been resistance is not surprising. Okay. 49 yesterday, 49.75 today. The key now is you've got the mid band at basically 42.5. You've got um, you've got daily pivot coming in right at 43. So 43 here, and imagine the daily mid band coming in right around here, basically where the blue line is, 42.5. You got weekly pivot way down here. Okay. So yesterday we said the bulls wanted to stay above, no retest of the weekly. Didn't approach it at all. Had one solid dip down into 40.5 midday, and that was that was a very definitive higher low versus your Globex low. Okay, so your matching lows at 34.75 versus the Friday low down at 23 quarters. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Um, what I'm looking for today is, do the bulls have enough to hold daily pivot, hold daily mid band, and figure out 50? If they can figure out 50, then that's a de facto conversion of the monthly pivot. So what you're slowly building back up here from the lows is weekly pivot support, daily mid-band support, monthly pivot support. Okay. With those three things in your back pocket, you can then really start to climb price back up to the area of the upper Bollinger Band right around 2170. So you continue to see the check marks in the bull column adding up. The bears need 50 to hold and really reject. Otherwise, they don't have a lot of answers until you get up to 63.5. And 63.5 is going to get you to the point where that 68 to 70 is going to magnetize. So the best case scenario for the bears is to hold 50, hold the monthly pivot, close below the daily mid band, and then get back to work on the weekly pivot at 32. It seems to me that they're going to need news in order for the bears are going to need news to make that happen. In a vacuum, I think we're just kind of bleeding up at this point. The argument that people make is, well, it's just a big test of the daily mid band. If that's the case, then we need to be making a high here. That really needed to start yesterday. You needed a close, and you need to be trading in the 30s, not the mid to high 40s. Okay, so the bears have their work cut out for them. I'm not saying they can't do it. What I'm saying is they've put themselves in a position where they really have to perform, and they have to perform in a great, they've got to do a lot in a short period of time, or they're going to lose control of the tape, and we're going to continue to bleed on up. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us over at Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come trade this stuff with us. Come check out the chat room. We would love to meet you. Got a fantastic group of traders in there. If you trade these futures every day, come see us. We're all about price. We're all about risk. And, we'll make you a better trader. All right. Have a fantastic day. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trading well, everybody.